Welcome to Tuesday Treats. This is going to be a new weekly series where I'll be sharing some easy, no-nonsense, no-fuss treats all from scratch. Today, we'll be making this 3-ingredient Apricot Delights. So I started this channel to share with you what it's like building a homemade life from scratch, growing your own food, baking, and simply just slowing down. Now, this little Tuesday series of mine is to showcase that sweeter side of life, just good food and no shortcuts. So today's treats are as easy as it gets. All you need is desiccated coconut, dried apricots, and a little Castor sugar. Start by blitzing dried apricots in a food processor until they form a thick, sticky paste. Add your desiccated coconut and mix it through until it comes together like a dough you can roll. Then just roll them into bite-sized balls and coat each one in Castor sugar. There you have it. They're chewy, sweet, and have that homemade, old-fashioned kind of feel. If you love simple and honest treats like this one, then stick around because every Tuesday I'll be sharing one right here, all from scratch. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what you'd like to see next.